good, boos? It's Sheen Boo, and you already know. Pattern. I didn't even look inside yet. I just cut the tape because I wanted you guys to see. So, I ordered it on the 19th and I got it on yesterday, which was the 23rd. So, Pattern by Tracy Ellis Ross, hair care for curly, coily, and tight textures. Here's what the card looks like. Oh, y'all, look at this velvet. Look at this velvet packaging. And we got a comb up in here. Oh yeah, this is a nice white tooth comb. This pick, I think is probably the thing I'm most excited about. Texture shot of that. This kind of reminds me of like an edge control texture too. Okay, so let's try some of this stuff. I have my spray bottle if I need to wet my hair, but for me, the more moisture, the more shrinkage. So I don't want to wet it if I don't have to. I want to just go in and let the moisture from the product work. This is made for twist outs, braid outs, bantu knots, and more. Also great for twisting locks. So this is just like a legit styler. I like to take what's in the cap first. How moisturizing this is. So what I'm gonna do, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go in with the styling cream and yeah, this is gonna need some water because that's not doing. Or no, you know, we could do the gel. And the other thing why I don't want to wet it, because my hair takes about 2 days to dry because it's so dense. And they're saying I can use this for a twist out. So technically I could just flat twist it back up and then see how it looks after that, but I don't want to do that. I want to see if I can get a wash and go. Stronghold gel. So the Stronghold gel is a flexible yet strong gel that provides long-lasting hold without breaking your edges. So I guess this is also for your edges too. I don't know why I would get 2 edge ones, but I'm gonna see what it's like in my hair. Cause it says Stronghold gel, but it's actually pretty soft and moisturizing. Like, look at that. Look how wet it's making my edges. For me, I think this is gonna be better up in my hair. Really probably for anybody, because it's really not a strong hold. Like look, it's so soft. Yeah, that's gonna crawl back up. So this is meant for edges, but it's not going to, that ain't gonna hold. It's custardy. This should be called a styling custard because it's a custard. And I was watching the Pattern Beauty page and it says it's not supposed to flake. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna have to wet it. I don't wanna wet it because it's, so I think I might be liking it. And let me get my dipping brush. I really might not need a brush though, because look how it's taking to my hair. Not too bad. The edge control says it's for your edges and slick back styles. So since that other stuff already dissolved, let's give the edge control a try. Okay, this is way more pasty and has a tightness to it. I should have did the back twist first, but we're gonna keep going. We're gonna see if it can do what it do. I'm honestly liking it already. And as y'all can see how much my hair shrunk and I didn't even add water. Imagine if I wet it. Curling gel. Oops, I was supposed to put the styling cream first, like I did the first time, but it's okay. We'll just put this in there too. And as you can see, the white cast is here now, but it was like that when I first put it on this part, and it's already drying up. And we're just gonna massage it through each strand. And you know what? Let's do the brush for the one time just to see if that gives us the even better curl. Okay. All right. I feel like the brush is not needed, but I could really do it. And I'm only gonna do this part wet. And honestly, a little bit goes a long way. That's actually too much because that's way more than I put on the other sections. The styling cream may be good on its own. You may not have to use the gel to. Come a little closer so y'all can see. I'm not gonna wet no more. I just wanted y'all to see. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the front of my hair and then we'll move on to the back. The back of my hair is actually a totally different, tighter texture than the front. I went ahead and finished the front and I put some edge control on this side as well, and I'm gonna tie it up before I go to the back because I want to do what I normally do to it to give it a fair chance. So gel, this thing, this stronghold gel, I'm gonna have to try it in my hair because it is not, ain't doing nothing for the edges, and it's just not a strong hold. But this edge control, on the other hand, it has that nice sticky tacky that you like in that texture that you like in the edge control. So put it right there. Let me unravel these. Y'all just gonna sit here and let me abandon the combs and not say nothing. The pick I'll have to use for the roots after, but y'all let me go get that dimming brush when I should have been combing my hair with this wide tooth comb. Why y'all do that? All right, y'all, so as you can see, I found a way for you guys to be able to see the back. And the front, pretty much the white cast is almost completely gone. The back I just did. So this is a little texture shot of what my hair looks like. Let's see what this edge control is looking like under here. So it looks like it's looking okay after I tied it up. So, and it was quite tied up for quite a while, so I'm gonna actually leave this off. We will be back with a final opinion and a final result in just a minute. My hair is about 80% dry. Well, the front I feel like is 100% dry, but the back, like I said, is much more thick and much more dense. So I still got probably about 20% more to go. The part I think is right here, where it's white at, is still wet. So at this point, it's been about 4 hours and my hair is still not completely dry, but it's drying much faster, being that I started on dry hair and I just put the curling product. Because normally it could be 4 hours and my hair like will barely be dry. But what I'm gonna do is stretch it, and then I'll come back tomorrow and show you guys what it looks like 100% dry and stretched out. Because as you can see, the shrinkage is beyond. I'm gonna have to give this on a scale from 1 to 10. I will give it a 6.5 because I really feel like since it's designed for my type of hair, it should just work a lot better. It could probably really be a good edge control. It just depends on your hair, but this is so-called made for my hair, so it should really work. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a 6.5 out of 10. Try it for yourself. So it didn't slick or snatch my edges. I think I might keep it though because I want to try it in my hair. I want to try it like with the wash and go or a twist out. So if you're asking for an edge control, this gets like a 2 out of 10 because it laid it down momentarily and then it melted. So that's gonna be a no for edges. But the thing about products and stylers, you don't just use them for what it says all the time. You make it work for your hair, so you can use it for different things. But if we're just going off, did it do what it says it does? It did not. The styling cream, rich moisture and definition, 10 out of 10, would recommend. Styling gel, or curl gel, shine, define and hold. So yes, it did define and it did hold. And yeah, it gave my hair a shine too. And it had like a what do I want to call it? Like a gel cast. It did have a gel cast, and before I twisted it, and then when I put it in the ponytails to go to sleep, the little hold came out. I'm much more impressed with this line than the first, like the washing, because I did a video and I'll link it in the cards. I did a video on the complete full line of the first round. I didn't get the mist spray from this line because I know it's I can't say I know, but I haven't had, when I put a mist in my hair, all it does is make my hair shrink up, and it typically does not moisturize my hair. So I didn't feel the need to spend the money on it. And I'm not sure if it comes in a smaller size or not, but I just didn't feel the need to get the mist. And this is nice and moisturizing. And normally when you take your hair out of like twist out or bantu knots, you need to rub a little oil in your hands. And then before you take it out to cut down on the frizz, but my hair's not frizzy. This is good, and it should last me. It should last me a couple of days. So yeah, if your hair is longer than mine or has less shrinkage, then what you can do is put your hair up in a pineapple. So it's just like up in a loose puff. That's what a pineapple is. And you can be able to keep your same curl. Mine has pretty much the same curl, but it's just a little more coily because I had to twist it. That's literally the only way I can get my hair to last. But overall, as a whole, I give this whole line cohesively a 9 out of 10. So go ahead and try it. Okay, so the Afro pick, it's good. It's nice and sturdy. Typically, I'm afraid that I'm going to break combs because my hair is so coarse, but it did good. It didn't break on me. I love it. It's you can get any other pick if you wanted it to, but why not support Tracy? Why not support a black business, you know? Why not? Also, this comb is good. This comb is sturdy. You can use a different comb, but again, why not get this one? Because they both work good. If you don't have a pick and a white tooth comb, get these. They're a little pricey for combs, but if you want to spend the money, spend it. I'm feeling like they will last, and I don't have anything against them. They both work just fine. But yeah, get you some pattern stylers and some pattern styling tools because it is worth the money. And thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep up with Sheen Boo all the time. Instagram, Twitter, Periscope, Sheen Boo. You already know. Like, comment, and subscribe. Keep up with Sheen Boo all the time. So follow me and keep on watching.